In this video, I'll show you how to use the Jog Pendant on the SC-512L and explain what each control does. Before the Jog Pendant will work, the machine must be powered on, connected to your computer, and enabled in the control software. The pendant has a magnetic backing, so it can stick to the front of the machine for easy access. The first control to look at is the button on the left side of the pendant. This is the enable switch, also called a deadman switch. You must hold this button down anytime you want to move the machine using the pendant. If you let go of it, the pendant will stop sending movement commands immediately. Next is the axis selector. For this example, we will select the x-axis. On the right side is the speed selector. Right now, it is set to x10, which in the metric profile means the machine will move 0.1 mm per click of the jog wheel. To move the machine, hold down the deadman switch and rotate the jog wheel. Turning the wheel counterclockwise moves the x-axis in the negative direction, toward the chuck from home. Turning it clockwise moves the x-axis in the positive direction, away from the chuck. If the machine does not move, and you do not see the digital readout values changing, there are a few common things to check. Make sure you are holding the deadman switch, the machine has been enabled in the control software, and the e-stops are released. Also make sure the axis selector is not set to off, Y, or 4, since those positions are not used on this lathe.
If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more setup guides, machining tips, and tutorials. If you have any questions or run into anything unexpected, send us an email at support@signcorecnc.com and we'll be happy to help. You can also check the description for helpful links, related videos, and additional setup resources. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.